Out of nowhere.
Yeah, she was pointing at, I was like almost like put off the road. Hi!
Hello. I wish I had something to get them.
My sister hates emus.
They're so freaky looking.
Because one bit her when she was little. He's like mimicking you. We made it. Alright, we are here at the RV Entrepreneur Summit in Lake Gunnersville, Alabama. We got in late last night, so I haven't really seen the place. I went out for a scoot real quick, but there's a giant lake here, so we're gonna go explore. There's RVs everywhere. It's so cool. Side note, bear with me. I don't know how to scoot one-handed, but I'm gonna try. We just checked in for the RV Entrepreneur Summit. All these lovely volunteers over here. We gotta get some pictures with everybody. Alright, we're about to go to our speaker lunch and meet all the other speakers and sponsors of the event. I'm glowing, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really, really excited. And Eric's just chilling.
Sure, doing it.
Okay, so we just got through our first little workshop that we went to about married life and business, which applies very much so. We had our lunch with the speakers, which is pretty cool. We got to meet everybody that is also speaking for the RV Entrepreneur Summit. We're not the only disc golfers here, which is crazy to me. The whole event really kicks off tomorrow. Today was like the beginning, and we are currently at the party. I keep wanting to call it a players party, but it's not. It just feels like it. So this is gonna be really fun. I'm so excited to be here. And Eric and I ran through our slides on the main stage today. My camera died. Let's try that again. It's super cool to be surrounded by other RVers. I haven't really been in that community. We've been just full-fledged into the disc golf community. So it's cool to be surrounded by those kind of people, like-minded, but just in a really different way. There are so many different jobs here. Just everyone's doing RV life so differently. It's really interesting to me to see all these people that have the same idea but then execute it in such a dramatically different way. So the sights out here, pretty cool.
And it is so exciting to see all these smiling, happy faces running around the lodge and running around the campground this weekend. And we're just so happy that y'all are all here. We're like, these are our people. Yeah!
This is a day for history, guys. Eric Oakley organizing. This never ever happens. In the 3+ years I've known him, I think this is the first time I've ever seen him clean something. What do you think, Eric?
Just doing work.
What's the date? March 20
Something.
March 22nd at 3:39.
Gonna be
Eric
history
organized the RV. Today is the day. You can hear my coffee brewing. I'm getting ready, making some notes to make sure I don't forget to tell everybody everything that I want to say. We haven't really done a speech like this in front of 300 some people that aren't disc golfers, so it'll be really interesting. I'm super excited. Eric just woke up. But yeah, we're about to teach our story and a little bit of how we got on the road. Kind of encourage people to take that first leap and then tell them what disc golf is. So I'm really excited to be here.
RVE Summit and then at Better For Your on Insta.
Better For Your, that's the company our friends Jason and Rose had last year's summit over in Australia. Shipped these mugs
It's gonna be super fun.
all the way across the world to make it here for you guys today. We put our logo on it and everything.
They're not here, but please give up a round of applause. This video.
And Kelsey back here.
Yeah.
I cannot wait.
And speaking, the second time will be her actual welcome. All right, so on 3, stand up and give her a huge round of applause. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, so to hype you guys up this morning, please welcome to the stage Kelsey and Liz.
Come on in. Welcome to our humble abode. Hey guys, we are Tina and Eric Oakley. We are professional touring disc golfers.
We are teachers.
We are YouTubers.
We are drivers.
We are full-time RVers.
Entrepreneurs.
And remodelers.
Fixer-uppers.
Brand ambassadors.
Teachers.
Did we say teachers?
I think so.
Okay. We do a lot. We travel full-time to play disc golf, but we also do a lot of other side hustles to stay on the road full-time. We are sponsored by Dynamic Discs and a handful of other companies that help us stay on the road.
It's been really amazing seeing the support that we get from the disc golf community, and we're really excited to see what the RV community has to offer and what we can learn to help our travels and make things even better.
We've been traveling together for about 3 years now, going on our 4th, and we're going to bring some information to you guys about how we've made it work, what our adventures have been like, and most importantly, our cat Spout. Okay, enough of that. We don't have your typical RV life. We travel pretty much every single week to a different tournament in a different state sometimes. So we have about 1 week in each city and then we're on to the next one. It makes it a little difficult to really explore as much as we want to, but it definitely is important to us that we get out and explore and adventure. Isn't that why we're all here anyways? Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoy our story as much as we do.
Oh my god, blow our muffins.
Okay, that was really cool.
Tina, they have banana nut muffins.
Awesome. We just finished. We went a little over our time, but they
Tina's stressing about it whenever she
stressing.
shouldn't be. It was very good. Tina killed it.
Are
She
you
had
sure?
a lot of really,
I talk
really good
so
points.
much though.
It's good though. People want to learn your story and understand who you are.
You don't know that? They
Yes,
didn't tell you that?
It's good. Especially whenever you started talking about the apps, people were writing them down.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's good. People need to hear this. They need to learn from our story and whatnot.
They need to, huh?
You need to be. You did great.
I don't know. It ended kind of on a boring note, and I was trying to like rush through it, and so
It was fun.
it was fine. It was really good in the beginning. I accidentally told them like, or made it seem like my grandma died, but that was embarrassing.
That was funny.
It went okay. It went
Just
okay.
sit here all day. So.
You can put that front foot out in front of you and reach straight back on the line. So if I'm trying to throw at this tree, my reach back is going in a straight line to that tree. The shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. Math. Sorry guys. We're not in math class.
Something that we found in disc golf is that everybody has a variation on their form and on their grip and everything. So we'll just kind of start with what we do. So everybody hold up your hand with your disc.
Put it in there naturally like you're about to throw.
Whatever feels right, right?
I have set my sails on fire and watched my vessel sink. 'Cause I've seen the shores of every tide, but I still wished I was in your sea.
You want to dog the luck, gotta be ready. Tell them to always, you guys just look at me, and no matter what, just keep looking at me. You ready? And it works every time.
Anywhere I run, I can see the sun. 'Cause you are the light in my eyes, in my eyes. Anywhere I go, I can feel your soul burning like the stars in the sky, in the sky.
Oh no! Well, I'm making a video, so do something stupid. That's better.
Yeah, look at that.
Alright, we're almost done here. I'm so bummed. We actually have to leave tomorrow. I don't want to leave though, do I?
No, Tina's been glowing this whole time.
It's
This
been
is
a little
such
ridiculous
an
how
amazing
excited I am.
experience. We are very lucky to be able to be here and be able to tell our story. It was really, really cool.
Did you have fun?
I had a blast. I got to meet a lot of really really good people and just understand more about what I need to be doing as a professional disc golfer. So that was really cool. So thanks to anybody I got to talk to. It was awesome.
We had a great time. We're gonna head back to Dallas tomorrow. So I guess we'll see you soon at yet another disc golf tournament.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye.
Anywhere I run, I can see the sun. 'Cause you are the light in my eyes, in my eyes. Anywhere I go, I can feel your soul burning like the stars in the sky, in the sky. And I'm like, ooh, and I see.
This is so funny to me. Okay, I know this is gross, but this is from our gray tank. We just dumped. But about a week ago, the top of this brand new bottle of Dawn broke off. So it was just sitting in our sink and literally the entire bottle went down our drain. And now that's what we have. But should be pretty clean now.
I mean,
What do you think?
Dawn's good. Dawn Ultra too.
The
So
cleanest.
the cleanest.